Options traders betting that under-pressure housing giant Lennar is poised for a double-digit rally. So says John at the Telestrator. That's what the options market is suggesting, Doc.
Yeah, it's still not been a bad year so far for this one, Scott. Basically began the year just under 40, and now it's approximately $48 a share. They came in here perhaps because of the KB Homes numbers, which were great overnight, as well as we talked yesterday about D.R. Horton and some of the strong buying in that name. Well, in this one, Lennar, they're coming in also. This time they're buying August options, though. Buying the August 5250s. They ended up selling the 55s higher than that against it, Scott. Over 10,000 of each of those traded. Now it's pushing up towards 12,000. Like the trade, as you know, I believe rates are going to be lower for longer. That's going to be good for these guys. So I'm in this trade probably 4 to 6 weeks. Second one, take a look at what's going on right now with the activity in Summit. This is a material stock, so things that are used to build homes, among other things. Summit, SUM, it's up almost 6% today. That's a big move. It's also a really big move in the options because this one doesn't necessarily trade heavy on the option side, but today they did. They bought right away 3,000, then they moved it up to 4,000. They're approaching at the 1750. Now these are in the money calls because, as you saw, this thing has just crossed to be in the money. I think it keeps pushing higher, and I'm in this one probably the same, 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay, Doc, thanks. Jimmy has this quick thing for you on your first one. I think on Lennar.
Yeah,
go ahead, Jim.
All of us. Look, I think we've all been disappointed in the home builders for some time. We've been disappointed in the housing numbers, and there's reason for that. But I think we're missing something on the bigger picture. Going back to the top of the show, consumer confidence. John, I'm looking at you over there.
Yep.
You know, adjustable rate mortgages have been adjusting down a lot over the last 6 months. Doesn't matter whether the Fed has acted yet or not, whether they've cut yet or not. The curve has come down. That's going to help consumer confidence. It's going to make Joe right.
Well, I think what has to happen, and to Scott's point, think about why home builders are struggling. They're struggling because the value of land continues to appreciate. It costs more to acquire the land, and you reach a tipping point, a critical mass, where you cannot pass through in the structure of a new home to the consumer the necessary price increase. And I think we're at that point right now in housing. That's why you're seeing refinancing strong, but new home build construction, that land value is too strong.
All right, let's, Doc, come on back over.